Have you pulled out your favorite summer dress? Maybe you have a wedding to go to and you put it on and you notice your normal bra shows. And strapless bras just haven't found one that's comfortable. One solution may be to go braless. But if you're like me, I am a 38 triple D and it makes me a little paranoid to go braless. And I'm sure there is a strapless bra out there for me, but when I've worn them in the past, I feel like I'm always yanking them up and they're just uncomfortable. Let's see if this product is the game changer that we have been looking for and will be perfect for those occasions. You get 4 one-time use pairs, retail for $49.50. They are made in Korea. This is made of breathable, sustainable hemp fabric that is sweat-proof and waterproof. Now they do have 4 size options. It goes from 28 to 48 band size and the cup size A through K, and there is 5 color options. You always want to put on some nipple covers first. So here is the no-show. By the way, I love the packaging. I'm such a sucker for packaging, but it comes in this nice box and there's plastic cover to protect each one. So what you're going to do is, so the first step is applying this. You're going to take off the plastic back, but don't throw it away because these are reusable. So you want to put that on. You know, take off the back, put it on, and then you're just going to smooth out any bumps so you have that on. Then the next step, now it can be trimmed and cut to fit whatever outfit. They are one-time use. And the mistake that when I first got these, I thought before I read the directions, the mistake that I think a lot of people probably make if they are, use any kind of product like this is starting below and then doing that. You don't want to do that because it's not going to give you that lift that you're looking for. You want to start just slightly below the nipple actually. You're going to remove the bottom half. Then again, start just slightly below. Then as you're holding your breast, then you want to pull this up to the desired place and you're going to keep holding it like this. So obviously if it was, adhesive, I had the adhesive off, it would be laying better, but you're going to lay it and then fold it down, remove the top portion, and then put it on like that. On their website, this did get 4.7 stars with 318 reviews. Now the low stars, people said that they were disappointed. They thought it would go on smoother than the strips of the breast tape. And they said that it was hard to apply even with the tutorials that made it look easy. It was a weird fit even if you cut it, and it barely sticks even when you rub the edges. Now the high ones, of course, people did love it. Another person said lifted me up. Never buy anything else. Another person that is a 34D said that it works perfectly, that there was no instruction, so I just taped the bottom and pulled it and lifted. Worked amazing. Here is with the adhesive bra on. Tip. It does say in the directions to make sure that your skin is cleaned. I also would recommend using a toner like a Pixie Glow or something like that, just to really make sure that you're getting any oils, extra oils off your skin. Because on this side, I did that, but I didn't go all the way up with the toner, and I am having a little bit more trouble with it sticking. This side I went all the way up, and as you can see, it is sticking just fine. Now, there is a little bit of wrinkles. It's kind of, if you think of like contact paper, that you gotta kind of smooth it as you're putting it on. That's how I would say as far as smooth. But other than that, I feel like it feels secure. Just this little part right here, which again, make sure you are using, like a toner or something. And on this one, I just put it right up and then did this. This side, I tried to kind of adjust it a little bit. So I'd say that practice in the mirror, you know, take it first, practice with it, see where you're going to cut it, maybe draw on it and then cut it. And then just practice looking in the mirror to see where you're going to place it, because it definitely sticks better if you just place it once and push it in instead of trying to readjust it. So that is my tip for making sure they stay, because like I said, this one that I tried to readjust, it's secure everywhere except for this top part that I did that for. So definitely do that. And yeah, here's how we're looking. I feel like I would go out in this and still feel secure. I will do a little bit of housework, see if I can get a sweat going here, and a little bit of dance party at my home to see how they wear and keep up, and then I will check in with you later tonight. And by the way, if we're just meeting, hello, my name is Staci here on Staci Lee Beauty. I am all about pro aging. That means we are just wanting to look and feel our best no matter what our age is. And I hope that you will join me here twice a week for fashion and beauty content. If you're a returning friend, thank you so much for coming on back. I hope that you are enjoying the video so far. If you are finding this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and drop in the comments below feedback you have. Or if you're not sure what to write just to help the algorithm out, then put in the comments summertime. Thank you. And now let's talk about a 3-hour check-in. Can't feel at all. And let me move this. It is still, it did wrinkle a little bit as I was putting it on, but still sticking, no problem there. Now this one that I was having, you know, the issues with, I did cut some strips and then was having it go like that. And that did help, but just about 20 minutes ago, it kind of started to come, the strips came off and this was coming off like this. So again, I just want to reiterate, make sure like use a toner or something to really make sure your skin is clean. Also, just put it on and don't try to readjust it. And then also, I did read on the brand's website that a tip was to, when you're putting it on first, to use a blow dryer, just kind of lightly go over it, and that'll really get the adhesive to stick. I would say that if you are putting it on and it doesn't stick at the top there, don't think that, oh, it's going to be better throughout the night as you go or throughout the day. Either get out that blow dryer, try that, and if that doesn't work, then you might have to try and get out a whole new thing and try that. I know it sucks, but then maybe use the one that wasn't sticking as well. Maybe you want to try, if you cut it down, you know, the pieces like that. So right now at the 3-hour mark, I would say that they are comfortable. I don't feel like I am wearing anything. And I still feel like I would be comfortable going out in it. Now, if I was wearing this to a wedding, I think depending on what the dress style was, because it does give you lift and support. But if you're gonna be out there shaking your moves on the dance floor, the girls are gonna still jiggle. So just keeping that in mind, just let you know, you will have some jiggling. But if you're not going to be dancing the night away and you're just attending the wedding for dinner and stuff like that, I think that this would be a good. And yeah, I'll do a final check-in in a little bit. I've had the Nood Game Changer Lift and Shape Adhesive Bra on for a little over 6 hours. And I would say that it's good. You know, this part, even though it's it came off a little bit, it's still, since the shirt is pressed against it, it still is fine. I am starting to kind of get a little bit of itching just around here, but other than that, I still can't feel it. Yeah, it's a strange feeling because I feel like I hardly have anything on. The only place I can really feel it is up here. And so it's strange to feel like you have nothing on, but yet when you look in the mirror, you're still lifted. So yeah, I like these. I think with the price tag being what it is, it's not something that I personally would be in my budget to wear every day, but I definitely think for a special occasion that these are worth giving a try. I have used bra tape. I haven't used it from this brand, but I'd say that the bra tape, this I feel like was a little bit more easy as far as just like putting it on and going and not having, you know, to cut down the strips and figure it out. But it just kind of, I think, depends on what style, what probably you think would be easiest and best for you. These are made with very strong acrylic adhesive. So that means that you are going to get the lift and support, but it also means that you have to be careful when you're removing them. You want to remove with an oil, or they have a adhesive remover. And if you're going to remove with an oil, you know, it can be like baby oil or something along that lines. And you want to make sure that you are saturating the whole thing with oil. And then as you're doing this, it should just start to come away from your skin. For the removal process, you will need to use a generous amount of oil because you don't want to be pulling on your skin at all. I am not feeling any discomfort by taking it off. I did notice right after I took it off, there's a little bit of redness around the edges where the edge of the material was, but it's not bad. Yeah, there. I can't believe I'm on the internet being like, ooh, but there is a little bit of redness. And I would say don't be in a hurry because again, you're sensitive there, right? You don't want to be ripping a Band-Aid off there. So yeah, just don't be in a hurry. Take your time. So happy with these. What do you think? Have you tried any products like this before? I thought, let's have a little bit of fun. And how about we have some homework for you and me? And that homework is to go to your current bra drawer, intimates drawer, however you have your bras stored, and look through them. If you have those bras that are stretched out, the wire is popping out, you just know that they are uncomfortable and you're never going to wear them, now is the time. Let's get rid of them. Depending on the condition that they're in, maybe you can donate them, maybe you just have to toss them. But yes, let's do that homework together. Make sure you have hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss more beauty and fashion content here on Staci Lee Beauty. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your week. Bye.